Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff. I'm a connection and growth strategist. I went from being a trash man's son to a professional actor with over 100 commercials, to a real estate investment businessman. And then I lost over $1 million and I went bankrupt. I hit rock bottom. And next, I found the RRG patterns. Over the last 20 years, my business has been about coaching and teaching the world how to connect through their business growth effectively. There are no fees involved here, none whatsoever. I'm building a team, a community. It's about standing out in the digital universe where the clicks and the algorithms don't run the show. With us, it's about growing your business and building your apps, your own apps, launching your podcast, producing your films, and creating your music label, and publishing your stories and taking them directly to your team and your community. Visualize a team and a community where you're handcrafting your jewelry company. And it isn't just about products, but pieces of a story you tell live, engaging with folks who really get it. That's what we're all about. Let's redefine success together. It's not a one-person show. Let's talk about working together and making your business ideas into a collective masterpiece. Together, let's carve out our spot in this digital universe, not be owned by the algorithms. Connect with us. I'm Kerry Ruff, and this is the Rapid Resilience and Growth Patterns community. Let's build. Let's grow together. I'm Kerry Ruff.